Hey, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. So today's an unboxing video, so I'm gonna do some unboxing. So, I mean, it's it's kind of funny. I actually always keep my bike in my van, even though I'm currently living in an apartment, just because I don't want to carry it up, 3 flights of stairs to get to the top. So it actually makes it easier just to come down here in the morning and grab this thing and bike to work instead of going all the way up there. First things first, I am super thrilled that you are here. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name's Davey Michaels, and I'm not currently living in my van, although that is the goal. It's quite cold here in Chicago, and so I'm in the process of renovating it and living in it. And part of that process and making videos is I wanted to turn my van into a place where I could also film and make cool tutorials and stuff like that. A few months ago, I made a video about my setup for the filming and everything. And I mentioned in that video how I wanted to have some more cameras for the lower shelf of my display. And I saw an offer up that somebody was selling a few more antique cameras, and so I had them shipped here, and I thought I would do an unboxing video for some of those antique cameras. So this right here is my current setup. I only have 3 cameras at the top. This one's probably my favorite. It actually has Time written on it because back in the day, Time magazine would give cameras to their subscribers, so it was pretty cool. But today's subject is I'm going to unbox some more cameras for the lower shelf right here, and it also lights up, but I can't do that right now because I don't have electrical, but hopefully that'll be something in the future. So without further ado, let's head upstairs, grab that package, and unbox it. Here it is. Woo! It feels pretty heavy.